Hi, and welcome to Travel Bugs at 1964. Today we'll embark on a serene boat tour, row through enchanting caves, admire ancient temples, and soak in some of the most stunning scenery imaginable. Then, Sharon and I will tackle the 500 steps up to the viewpoint. Let's navigate and embrace this escape. Our journey began with a great breakfast at the Lotus Field Homestay. Please see the link below, where we experienced true hospitality and were treated like royalty. The homestay arranged all our travels, including taxis when we needed it. We used their scooters, and they did the planning for our excursions, all at no additional cost. On our way, we stopped at the Trang An Lotus Lake Homestay for a coffee break. I ordered an egg coffee known as Phi Trung. Let's just say, it's an acquired taste. Check out the video and recipe in the link to make your own, and let me know your thoughts when you tried it. Thankfully, the koi fish there was a distraction and a joy to watch. Trang An offers convenient parking, and the air-conditioned walkway beneath the road was a welcomed relief. The walkway were lined with beautiful scenery videos of the Trang An area. To purchase ticket and to get onto the boats was a swift and orderly process. We chose Route 3, which was a 3.5-hour adventure. It included the impressive 1 km long cave, 3 temples, and a scenic passages through the Lin Mountain. Tickets are around $10 per adult. Just make sure you watch your head in those caves because some areas are low. Ninh Binh picturesque landscapes are perfect for combining boat rides, cycling, and hiking. You might recognize the area from movies like Kong, Skull Island of 2017. Our guide did not speak English, but communicated with cheerful gestures, making our trip enjoyable. The breathtaking scenery, splendid temples, and awe-inspiring caves were a feast for the eyes.
It's gonna have some real skills to get us through here, huh?
Yeah.
How you doing?
We also passed the Thuy Din, a serene temple in the middle of the water. At one of the stops, you can purchase pellets to feed the very eager fish. Next, we headed to the viewpoint, passing the vibrant incense village. This place is perfect for a photo opportunity with the vibrant incense colors. We parked close to the entrance, where there is ample parking, so don't get caught by eager people wanting you to park at their property to make an extra buck or two. Entry to the Hang Mua complex costs 100,000 VND, about $4, with a small fee for parking your motorbike. Restaurants inside cater to visitors, and the entry fee applies whether or not you decide to climb to the viewpoint. The steep ascent of 500 steps was quite the challenge, especially for those of us with shorter legs, adding a few extra steps to the journey. Encouragement from fellow climbers kept my spirits high, and the view was absolutely worth it. From the top, the 360-degree views of the Tam Kok Valley are breathtaking. There are two main viewpoints, one with a pagoda and the other with a dragon watching over the river. Ensure you have enough water or a little money to buy some on your way up. Descending was a bit daunting without railings and with low sidewalls, so take your time. Hope you enjoyed our journey through Trang An and the climb up to Mao Viewpoint. Until next time, happy travels!